For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Nucypher is a cryptographic system that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers designers to store, share, and oversee private information across different blockchains while allowing engineers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The enterprises, for example, banking and medical services areas that arrangement with an enormous volume of subtleties influence the upsides of Nucypher protection encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egrove and McLean Wilkerson in 2015. The two principal innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate dynamic access control and secret administration. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and repudiates admittance to delicate information, while secret administration framework stores delicate data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbrella and Ursula. Former is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbrella assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without taking a chance with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish unscrambling freedoms to the collectors with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, yet they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. Nucypher technical analysis. The verifiable value outline of Nucypher is intriguing. Nucypher took off fundamentally on October 15, 2021, on the event of the primary commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group supported the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchange in 2020. After the NuCost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Moreover, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the purpose for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The NuCost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the renowned cryptographic money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at $0.4875 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a coursing supply of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58. Coin market cap, on October 15, 2021. The unsurpassed low is $0.0611, which was on November 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the greatest cost, and it is because of the selling strain after the unsurpassed high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunged contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu demonstrates that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has out of nowhere soared and was moved by gigantic volume in October. The light's initial cost of Nucypher was $0.28135, and the end cost of Nucypher was $1.407. Considerably more. October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw an immense market cap appreciation. Consequently, many coins raised to an unsurpassed high. Nucypher NuCost uncovered a fading negative force on the everyday diagram by making more promising low points. There is a plunging design in the pattern line, as displayed in the outlines. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by regrettable feelings throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future, They haven't begun collecting the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Specialized investigation demonstrates Nucypher new settled beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band is pressing. On balance, volume pointer was in a downtrend. It has moved evenly for the last week. The contrast between the opening and shutting new cost of the flame is exceptionally low, and exchanging volume private is a matter of fact. Swing brokers are likewise losing interest in Nucypher new. At the hour of composing, new exchanged on the turn. Quick help is put at $0.442, and any Nucypher cost drop from this might look for help at $0.425. Beneath $0.425, merchants can sell Nucypher, and it will contact $0.394. On the opposite side, close by obstruction is put at $0.550, and there is an opposition after that at $0.700. The significant opposition is put at $0.801. In the wake of examining the significant specialized markers, MACD is attempting to cross the sign line, however has not affirmed any course. RSI is 56.41. The ongoing cost is over 20 EMA and the ongoing cost is under 50 EMA and 200 EMA. To put it momentarily, the week is besides a level opening for a large number of the digital currencies, and behemoths like BTC and ETH have been getting green for the last exchanging meetings of the ongoing week after a down move. To summarize the specialized examination of Nucypher new, significant alarm actually exists toward the coin. In any case, the strength of the negative pattern has descended, and most specialized pointers are pursuing for a pattern inversion. Selling tension in new has been diminished. Ideally, there will be slow and solid vertical energy. Financial backers can hang tight for pattern affirmation on one or the other side from this nonpartisan sign. Forceful dealers can search for a swing exchange at the momentum level with a little stop misfortune and a little benefit. A reasonable breakout in pattern is supposed to affirm inside a couple of additional exchanging meetings. Nucypher price prediction 2022. New coin value forecast is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Subsequently, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin prediction 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast theorize a beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is progressively going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the principal quarter. Nucypher coin cost forecast predict an end at 74 cents constantly end. Nucypher price prediction 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed